loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For today's video, it's been a little while since I did a DIY lamp. And recently I had done my whole beauty room slash closet room makeover, and I had done a lamp that I thought I was going to put in that room, but finally I didn't end up putting it there. I ended up putting it in the bathroom over the tub, which I know most people would be like, that is just the weirdest place to put it, but I thought it just looked perfect there. If you guys saw one of my bathroom makeovers, there was a whole bunch of plants. I had done a whole jungle look, and there was a whole bunch of plants on the top of my bath, but one of my plants didn't do so well, and I feel so bad, but it died on me. So I had to get a little creative. I ended up putting it in that area, and I think it looks sort of cool. It gives that whole ball-y look that I love so much. So I thought I would share the whole DIY because I did think it came out beautiful. I just had to find the right place for it. I used all things from Ikea. I'm going to be honest, it took me almost a week and a half, 2 weeks to finish it. In my head, it was going to take super fast, super quick, but I had to tie each piece onto the lampshade, which took forever. So just a little heads up, this is not a one-day DIY. This is definitely a week and a half DIY. So just a little heads up. But or else I could not be happier of how it turned out. So I wanted to share it with you. But before we get into this whole DIY, I wanted to say a big thank you to Birch Living for sponsoring this video. For those of you who don't know Birch Living, they're a premium mattress in a box company that makes mattresses and sleep products that are stylish, comfortable, and environmentally conscious. They're made with organic, non-toxic materials and made right here in America with just 4 materials sourced from nature. You also get 2 Eco Rest pillows made from recycled plastic bottles. So a lot of you asked me how the whole mattress thing was going. If you guys have followed me for a little while, you know that I had gotten a mattress from them, and it's been over 2 months. So I feel that that gave enough time for me to give you an honest review on how I feel about the mattress compared to my old mattress. What I love is that it's natural, organic, and non-toxic. So that is the most important thing, I think. When you're sleeping on a mattress for hours, so you want to make sure that that mattress is not damaging to your health. Secondly, I don't know if you guys remember me telling you from my previous mattress, me and my husband were pretty much like this. My husband is 150 pounds. He is 6'4", so he is a big guy. The other mattress was just, it needed to go. It was completely like this. It was giving us back pain. It was just not happening. So Birch Living came right on time. We get a good night's sleep. Our bed is not like this. It's actually pretty good. It's stable. We don't wake up with a bad back, and that was something that me and my husband were both complaining about. We'd wake up all stiff. I mean, it was hurting. Our back was hurting. So that is another thing that I've noticed, that me and my husband are complaining a lot less about our back. And I know these things take time. I mean, it's been only 2 months and already we feel a huge difference. Another great feature that I love, I didn't have to go in store, go get the mattress. I went online, I bought it, and it was shipped directly to your door. And that was definitely a plus, just less of a hassle. Another great thing is that you have a 100-night sleep trial and a 25-year warranty. So if you are not satisfied, you can just ship that bad boy back and get your money back. So honestly, you have really nothing to lose. So I'm super excited to announce that Birch Living has introduced their newest mattress, and it is called the Birch Luxe. And until January 6th, Birch Financing offers a 0% APR if you're qualified. So I will put all the information down below, and if you click on the link, you will get a $400 off your mattress and 2 free pillows. So anyway, happy shopping. Without further ado, we're going to jump right into this DIY lamp. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. that's it. I hope you enjoyed this lamp DIY. I know it wasn't the longest video, but it did take me forever to do, so I did want to put it as just one video. I did that with my other lamp as well. I hope you love it as much as I do, and if I don't see you before then, I just want to wish you all happy holidays and a happy new year and a Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoy all your magical moments with your friends and family. And I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching. Have an amazing day. Mwah. See you next time.